4 recommendations to relieve lower back pain. Most adults have experienced lower back pain at least once in their lifetime. It's nothing more than a pressure on the base of the spinal column, specifically in the area between the waist and the buttocks. Overall, it's one of the most common ailments in the world, only surpassed by flu. Lower back pain affects men and women equally, especially those who have either a sedentary lifestyle or who do too much exercise. In young people, this injury is mainly caused by excess weight on the back due to backpacks, sitting incorrectly or standing in poor postures for too long. Causes of lower back pain. Some of the specific causes of this problem are as follows. Lifting excess weight. When someone goes beyond their physical ability when lifting something heavy, the muscles tense up excessively and tend to cause intense pain in the lower back area. Incorrect movements. Lower back pain caused by incorrect movements tends to disappear with no need for treatment. The problem is that, while it may be brief, it has a strong impact on the body at the time it happens. Spinal infection. Illnesses like discitis, osteomyelitis and abscesses can also be behind this ailment. Scoliosis. Scoliosis refers to the malformation of the spinal column, whether in the backbone, the neck or the lower back. This illness can arise at any age, but its symptoms tend to appear in adulthood. Hernias. Hernias also count as a type of malformation, and they tend to cause lower back pain when they displace the discs of the lower vertebrae. In these cases, they can even put pressure on the spinal nerves. The professional solution to treat this ailment in extreme cases is surgery. Some people also turn to physiotherapy, rehabilitation and anti-inflammatory drugs without steroids to reduce the pain. Some home treatments to relieve lower back pain. Fortunately, in mild cases, this ailment can be relieved with the following exercises and home remedies. Massage with a ball. The procedure is simple. You just need to lie down on a flat surface and place a normal sized rubber ball, that fits in your hand, under your gluteus. Then, make slow, deep movements from one side to the other. To work on more areas, it is advisable to change position and, as you progress with the exercise, lie more on your side. This massage helps treat the buttock area, an area that's subject to constant pressure due to our postures, spending too much time sitting down and poor physical condition. This therapy will not only prevent lower back pain, but also other injuries such as trigger points and pyramidal or trapezius syndrome. Lower back self-massage with a stick. The first thing you need to do is find a stick that is long enough to reach across the whole width of the back. You can use the broom or mop stick. Take the stick and slide it up and down your whole back, slowly and deeply. Then, focus all your strength on one side, moving from the middle outwards, and then on the other side. This exercise will help relax the muscles of the back. It works as a treatment for lower back injuries. Remember to do the massage deeply and intensely. The stick is used to apply pressure that you can't achieve with the hands. Milk with cabbage. Believe it or not, cabbage can help to relax your back. As it's a cold vegetable, its components serve as a muscle relaxant. To prepare it for relieving lower back pain, you need to place a cabbage in a bowl with milk and leave it to steep for at least 5 minutes. Clean your lower back area well before applying this mixture, then spread the cabbage over the whole area and leave it to act for 15 minutes. Then, take a shower with warm water to relax. Parsley with salt. Put some tepid water in a bowl and add a few sprigs of parsley and a few teaspoons of salt. Place the sprigs on the affected part of the lower back one by one and leave them to act for 20 minutes. Remove the remains of the parsley with a towel and clean and relax the area with isopropyl alcohol.